Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025 to 2024 Tesla Model 3. The 2024 Tesla Model 3 has been named the best luxury electric car for 2025, solidifying its position as a leader in the electric vehicle (EV) market. Known for its combination of cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and modern luxury, the Model 3 continues to be a top choice for drivers seeking a high-quality electric driving experience. Impressive performance and range. The 2024 Tesla Model 3 offers a dynamic driving experience that rivals traditional luxury vehicles. With multiple trims available, including the long-range and performance versions, the Model 3 delivers up to 450 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds in the performance model. This level of performance is matched by an impressive driving range of up to 358 miles on a single charge, ensuring that the Model 3 can handle both daily commutes and long-distance travel with ease. The car's dual-motor all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability, making it a joy to drive in various road conditions. Sleek design and modern comfort. The 2024 Model 3 features Tesla's signature minimalist design, both inside and out. The exterior is sleek and aerodynamic, with clean lines and a low stance that enhance its sporty appeal. Inside, the cabin is equally refined, offering a spacious and uncluttered environment. The premium interior is outfitted with high-quality materials, including vegan leather seats, a glass roof that creates an open atmosphere, and a large central touchscreen that serves as the hub for the vehicle's controls and infotainment system. The minimalist dashboard and lack of physical buttons create a modern, tech-forward feel that sets the Model 3 apart from its competitors. Advanced technology and safety. Tesla's commitment to innovation is evident in the 2024 Model 3, which comes equipped with the latest version of its autopilot driver assistance system. This system includes features like adaptive cruise control, automatic lane changes, and traffic-aware cruise control, all of which contribute to a safer and more convenient driving experience. The Model 3 also includes over-the-air software updates, ensuring that the vehicle stays up to date with the latest technology advancements. Conclusion. The 2024 Tesla Model 3's combination of luxury, performance, and advanced technology has earned it the title of Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of electric vehicle innovation, the Model 3 remains a benchmark in the luxury EV market, offering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and sophisticated.